You already know that data breaches and cybercrimes are part of modern life. Your private information can be stolen in a few simple keystrokes. And restoring your stolen identity can be frustrating, time-consuming, and expensive. It's time to say goodbye to worrying about identity theft. Protect your personal data and reputation with IDShield. With the IDShield app, you'll receive real-time alerts if your personal information is found on the dark web, such as your unique username and password combinations. We'll also alert you about credit inquiries, changes to your financial accounts, and much more. The app makes it a cinch to update your monitored information and track your credit score. Choose the plan that best fits your needs, whether you're safeguarding your own identity or your entire family's. With a simple tap, you can quickly speak to an identity theft specialist to resolve your identity or privacy concerns. IDShield certified professionals can assist you with all online privacy and identity theft matters. Enroll in IDShield during your employer's next open enrollment period to ensure your private information stays private.